Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to automatically translate web pages in the Google Chrome web browser. If you don't even want Chrome to prompt you to translate web pages, but you rather it happen automatically, I show you guys how to do that. Open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon over here and select settings. On left side select languages. On right side you just need to scroll down. Under Google Translate, you can able to see the automatically translate these languages. You just need to select add languages. You just need to select the language you want to automatically translate. I'm gonna search for English and select it, guys. Click on this add option after selecting it. Now that language has been added, guys. Now the selected language will be translate automatically, guys. That's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.